Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM Khan performs groundbreaking of Punjab peri-urban housing project. Prime Minister Imran Khan performed the groundbreaking of the Punjab peri-urban low-cost housing scheme. PIA announces direct flights to Bahrain. Pakistan International Airlines announced the inaugural direct flight from Lahore to Bahrain. Punjab government decides to end stamp papers. The Punjab government has decided to end stamp papers, which will shift the registration process of properties on white paper. NA Speaker forms high-level parliamentary body on electoral reform. Speaker National Assembly Asad Kaisar announced setting up a high-level parliamentary committee for seeking support from the opposition parties on electoral reforms. Vaccines protect unvaccinated household members too. Compared to an unvaccinated COVID-19 patient, a vaccinated person who nevertheless becomes infected with the coronavirus has a much lower risk of transmitting the virus to household member, a large UK study found. Only 364 candidates passed CSS 2020 exam. Check final result here. The Federal Public Service Commission announced the result of the 2020 CSS written examination. As many as 18,533 candidates appeared in the examination, out of which only 364 passed the examination. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network, Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.